Here's how to add alerts to your stream using Streamlabs and OBS. On the Streamlabs website, first make sure you have connected your preferred platform, then go to Alert Box. Mouse over Widget URL and click to copy the link. In OBS, add a new browser source and give it a name. Paste the link into the URL box. Adjust the size to your liking. Make sure that you check Shut Down Source when not visible. This will prevent duplicate sounds if you use multiple scenes in OBS. Click OK, and you've now added alerts to your stream. You can also customize your alerts. You can add unique alerts for different events, new followers, new subscriptions, bits, and raids. This is what the default alert looks like. You can change the position of the text next to layout. You can change the image here. There are a variety of ready-made options available on Streamlabs, but if you want, you could add your own. Upload a file and click Select. You can adjust the default text, alert duration, and text delay. You can customize the sounds in the same way that you customize the images. Adjust the volume to your liking. You can also choose a font and a font size. In my opinion, a larger font size is better. This will prevent the text from looking pixelated if you make the alert very large. Choose your colors, choose animation effects, and don't forget to save your settings. A few final things to note. You will need to update each variation of an alert separately. If you stream on multiple platforms, you may also want to turn off alerts for other platforms, but that's up to you. To add audio to your alerts in OBS, I recommend getting the Application Audio Output Capture plugin. Don't worry, the link is in the description. OBS has a built-in option now too, but it is still in beta. This plugin allows you to create individual audio sources for alerts, music, and games. That about covers it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and look forward to more tutorials in the future.